pag naging ganun ka kasi, hindi ka makakabalik. That's the problem, di ba? You have to shift, you only have half of a second to go back, di ba? So, yung shifting mo, it has to be yung thumb lang. Yung thumb, galaw mo lang siyang konti. So that you have strength lang to push it. Yeah. So halos hindi umikot yung raketa. Tingnan mo, forehand. This is the forehand, di ba? And then I put up my thumb lang.
You move your thumb,
yeah,
not
yung
the
thumb lang.
racket.
Not the racket. Kasi if the racket, you'll be going like this.
Right.
So it becomes one face. So once you go back to the forehand, you'll have to move it around again to go back.
Yeah,
That becomes too late, di ba? So pag ganun mo, it will be too late na. Na-miss out mo na yung bola. So backhand has to be short lang. From ganito, may konting movement siya. Pag napapansin nyo, sobrang late na eh. Halos gumanon lang siya eh. Yeah? Hindi siya yung kasing kayo, sa'yo, pinakita ko sa'yo, gumanong ka na eh. Naging one face. That's what you call one face eh.
Right.
That's becoming, wala kang option. You only have one option is to drive the ball straight. Wala na ibang choice. Pag nakaganon ka, you can turn, you can go straight, you can lob. Without the person seeing your shot eh. Okay? So, ganun lang yung guide natin. Ganon. And then, the important is follow through. Follow through. Remember, when you follow through, not from the back, start from the middle, towards the front. Towards the front. Yeah. Yun yung malaking difference eh.
Ginagawa ko yung position niya.
Yung position ng feet, yeah. Of course, the right is in front there. Then go that way. Okay? Right leg. Right leg. It's a bit awkward kasi since you're one-sided lang eh. So you have to just go hit and move back lang. Hit, move back. So paminsan medyo malayo, add one step. Okay? Good. Relax. Yeah. Relax. Good. That's it. Good. Good. That's it. Good. Right leg. Yeah, that's it. So you're moving from here. Side. 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 Yeah, that's it. Good, that's it. Becoming like this. Yeah, go on. You're pulling it this way. No. You have to go this way. This way. This way. And then this one, relax. Relax. This way. Pagka nakadiretso ka, ang hirap i-answer the effort. Relax. Hack.
Straight ako dito, sir.
Yeah. So the ball, if it's farther, you have to add one step. This way. Yeah, you have to move lang. Okay lang. Good. Good, yeah, that's it. You're getting it now. Good. Bend your elbow. Good, that's it. Bend. Yeah, that's it. Good. Good, that's it. Good. Yeah, that's it. Good, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Up. Good, that's it. Up, okay lang. You say okay naman eh, malakas when you have the exert. Lessen lang than this one. Okay. More of this one and this one. Kasi mas mabilis yung bola. Okay. Even hindi mo lakasan, ganun lang. Mabilis siya. Kung mga nakakagulat eh. Di ba? Parang from dito kasi nangyari, gumagulong ka pa konti. Bawasan natin yun, gawin natin dito, pag ganun lang. Oh, okay. Di ba? Pero wag naman pababa, kailangan paharap. Kasi since magne-net eh, di ba? Good, that's it. Good, that's it. Good. Yeah, that's it. Good, that's it. Good. Good. Good, that's it. Good. 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 Kailangan move, then pitik lang. Pitik lang. Pitik lang. Good, that's it. Good. Good, that's it. Tama na. Para lumakas, kailangan, pagdating na mo, pag tumatama ka sa bola, snap it. When you're hitting the ball, you can snap it a bit. Para mas mabilis siya at mas malakas siya. Diba? Doon natin, from here, parang bigla kang mag-grip. That's the only time you grip.